Amen. And now, before we start our lesson, I will ask first, do we have an assignment? Oh, good. There's no assignment. So who is absent today, Mr. President? Very good. There's no absentees for today. So, before we start our lesson, let's have a recap. What is our lesson yesterday? It's all about what? Congruent. Very good. You have a good memory. So, I have here an activity. And all you have to do is to identify if the picture is congruent or not. Let's start. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Very good. And we will answer this later. If you truly understand what is our lesson yesterday. Now, let's all move forward to our next activity. But before that, we all should read our objectives. So number 1, identify the parts related to a circle. Construct and describe the parts related to a circle. And the last one is, the learner illustrates terms related to a circle. So now, let's proceed to our activity. Our activity is titled Point All Around. So point all around, our direction is, each student will be using a sheet of bond paper and will draw a point on the center of the paper using a ruler. They will draw another point from the center to any point measuring 4 inches and will name it by any letter of their choice. Then connect all the points below. So now, I will give you 2 minutes to finish your drawing. And then, after that, you're going to answer the guide questions. So your time starts now. You may now draw class. Okay, time's up. Let's now proceed to our guide questions. Okay, number 1. What figure did you form after connecting all the points? What did you form? Yes, it's a wheel. So, next, what can you say about the lines that you have drawn? What can you say about it? Okay, very good. And for the last question, can we connect 2 opposite points that will pass through the center? What can we say about the line form? Can we connect it? Can we? Okay, let's now find out if we can connect it or not. So, now that you have knowledge about what we are going to tackle, let's now proceed to our main lesson, main topic. So, center. Center is the set of all points in a plane with the same distance from a certain point. And this is what it looks like. This is our center. The dot in the center of this circle. And then, radius, the distance from the center of a circle to any point on its curved edge. And this is what it looks like. This is a radius. We have here the half line, and this is the center. Half line of a center is the radius. The next, the chord, a segment whose are on a circle. A chord is here. This is the chord. And then next is diameter, the distance across circle through the center, and that is this line. This line, whole line, magkaiba sila no radius kanina kasi yung radius is half line lang siya, dito siya nagagaling, papunta siya ng circle, half line lang, and the diameter is the whole line. And the next one is the semicircle, an arc that measures exactly 180 degrees. And that is the half of a whole circle. Half of a circle. And then, minor sector, a sector with a central angle less than 180. And major sector, larger sector. And this is what it looks like. This is the major sector, mas malaki siya, 252 degrees. And then, a minor sector naman is ang 180 degrees. Do you understand? Okay, thank you. And next, radius, and this is what we call center angle. The curve inside this circle. This is what we call center angle. And next one, circumference. The distance around the outside of the circle. Circumference is this is what we call circumference, our distance outside the circle. And now, do you get what is our lessons all about? Do you understand? Okay, thank you. Are you ready for our next activity? Are you sure? Okay, let's proceed to our next activity. So, our next activity is a group activity. So, we or you will going to solve different picture puzzles of different circles. The first group to form the puzzle wins. And I have here lots of picture. I have here inside of this paper. We have here different picture puzzles, a rumbled pictures, and then you're going to form it and correct, find its corresponding shapes, and then if you were the one who finish it, the first one who finish it will be our winner. So each group will be having 3 minutes to solve the puzzles. Are you ready? Okay, now let's start again. You will have 3 minutes to solve that, and you're going to know who's the winner for today. Okay, time's up. Wow! So Kyle's group will be our winner for ang galing-galing. So, are you ready for our next activity? Are you ready, class? Okay. So, for our next activity, you need to identify the radius, chord, diameter, secant, and tangent with your figure. So, this is our figure. And then the students will be only given 5 minutes to do the task. So, we have here our problem. An electronic and communication engineer designed a circular disk to be put up in a call center building. Before he installs the disk, he lets his men check the disk and its parts. I am the engineer and you are my working man. What are now the parts of the circular disk? So, copy this on your paper. Get one sheet of paper and copy this table. So, we have here words. Second and last is our tangent. So we'll put it here. So this is our table. This one, you're going to add this here. Wala lang space. So, I'll give you 5 minutes to find these parts of our circle. So, class, your time starts now. Okay, time's up. And now, you pass your papers forward. Class? Okay, thank you. thank you so much. Now that we all done here, this is our activity, we are now going to proceed to our next activity. Are you ready? Okay, that's what I like. And now, our next activity is what we call naming one by one. So, in a one-fourth sheet of paper, use the figure below to identify the terms related to a circle. So, I have here a figure. So, class, this is our next activity, naming one by one, and you will identify the terms related to a circle. So, you will going to get a one-fourth sheet of paper and then answer this activity. Yes? Opo, individual po. So, you will now start answering the activity. Okay. I hope you understand our lesson, class, so that this activity is not difficult for you. Okay, time's up. Okay, very good. You are good. You catch up the lesson easily. And now, let's now proceed to our next lesson. Are you ready? Do you have any energy? Do you still have an energy? Okay, very good. Let's now proceed to our lesson. And this activity is what we call pair activity. And if pair activity, you need to find your partners. You need to have your partners. And our direction is identify the terms related to a circle using the given figure. And now, class, all you have to do is to identify what terms of circle these letters. So, now that you have found your partners, get a sheet of paper, any scratch. I want you to have scratch na lang. Get a scratch of paper and then find these terms, related to a circle, and let's name it one by one. So, are you ready? Now, let's start. Okay, let's answer our activity. So, number one, segment OB, segment OX, and segment OY is what we call our radius or radii. Very good. And number two, next, our segment CK. What do we call our segment CK? CK. What do we call this one? Yes, this is what we call the diameter. And now, very good, class. Let's now proceed to our last activity, last but not the least. So, identify the following parts of circle B. This is our circle B. And write it on a separate sheet of paper. It's okay with me if you're going to get at the scratch. Go. Go, class. Scratch paper. And then, we will going to identify, we have here five letters, and we're going to find each one, ito yung hinihingi, ibibigay natin yung hinihingi ko, and this is what we are going to do. Write natin yan sa separate paper. Are you ready? Yes. And class, this will be going to be your assignment. Copy this, and then you can go home. Okay, thank you so much. Are you done? Okay, class. And that's all for today. Thank you so much, class.